Have your floors started to lose their luster? Perhaps they're looking a bit dingy or even stained. Before getting on your hands and knees to refresh your floors or lug out your old supplies that don't quite seem to get the job done, consider adding a steam mop to your collection of home cleaning tools. In addition to cleaning, steam mops can restore a shiny finish, disinfect floors, and even kill dust mites, meaning they might even help ameliorate pesky allergies. Of course, with all these benefits comes considerable demand, so the market category has been fast growing. To help save you from the struggle of sifting through pages of products to find the most effective steam mop for your household needs.
Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1, Bissell 1940 PowerFresh Scrubbing and Sanitizing Steam Mop. With over 31,000 5-star reviews on Amazon, it's safe to say the Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop 1940A is a fan favorite, which we certainly found to be true in our testing. The mop holds 16 ounces of water and is easy to fill up, thanks to a removable tank and a stand that steadies the mop when it's time to click the full tank into place. Designed with a continuous steam output that can be adjusted to 3 different levels, once this mop is filled and plugged in, it begins heating up to be put to work in just 60 seconds. Beyond its ease of use, this steam mop works wonders on stains of all levels. In most instances, we found that 7 to 10 passes were enough to thoroughly remove stains, though we had to use the removable scrubber to. Number 2. Bissell 1806 PowerFresh Deluxe Scrubbing and Sanitizing Steam Mop. The Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop 1806 is another Amazon top seller with nearly 14,000 5-star reviews. It weighs just 6 pounds, has a 16-ounce tank, and a 25-foot cord, all of which make it incredibly easy to maneuver. But that's not all there is to love about this steam mop. There is an on-off button on this model, which was interestingly absent in most of the steam mops we tested. Once you turn it on, it has an additional indicator light that lets you know when it's heated and ready to use, which makes it even more intuitive. What really sets this mop apart, though, is the fact that it comes with scent discs. I'd be tempted to steam mop all the time, just so my house smells like this. Number 3. Bissell 1544A PowerFresh Pet Lift-Off 2-in-1 Scrubbing and Sanitizing Steam Mop. It should come as no surprise that more than one Bissell steam mop has made this list. The brand is renowned for its innovative, effective cleaning solutions. The Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop 1544A is especially great for pet owners, as it comes with a bunch of accessories to target any and all pet stains, as well as common dirt and grime. Like the Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop 1806, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop 1544A comes with an on and off button, which we were again happy to see, especially while trying to swap accessories. Speaking of accessories, the steam mop comes with multiple grout brushes, a microfiber mop pad, a scrubby mop pad, an extension hose, a window squeegee attachment, and more. While more accessories out that it also means having to keep track of all the parts. They do include a little bag for storage to make it a bit easier, she adds. Number 4. Shark S5000 3D Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System Pocket Steam Mop. The weight and design of Shark S5000 3D Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System Pocket Steam Mop made it very easy to carry around and use even with the tank completely filled. It also works well to remove all kinds of stains, though it requires more passes on darker, stickier splotches, and more elbow grease. When it comes to cleaning grimy grout, there's a steam blaster option that provided an extra burst of steam that helped remove the hot sauce and syrup stains, as well as most of the grime in the grout, though not as effective as other models we tested. Plus, thanks to its swivel head, it's easy to maneuver around corners, as well as under furniture edge. Number 5. Black+Decker 7-in-1 Steam Mop with Steam Glove Handheld Steamer. The Black+Decker 7-in-1 Steam Mop is among the more aesthetically pleasing mops on the market, thanks to its silver, blue, and white design. But don't be fooled. The benefits of this steam mop exceed well past its appearance. It cleaned all the stains in our test with relative ease. The lighter soils and stains required only 2 passes, and the toughest stains required no more than 10 passes. And because the steam was dispersed over the entire pad and the unit is very maneuverable, cleaning in corners was easy and effective. As effective as the Steam-Mop is, it's not without its shortcomings. First, the mop has daunting instructions, as they detail all 11 of the included attachments. While it's great to have additional accessories to achieve a deeper clean, it means more reading material before getting started. Our other complaint is that the water tank doesn't feature a max fill line, and, as such, it's easy to leak throughout use, especially when the handheld component was detached and held overhead. With that in mind, it's best to be conservative when filling the tank and refill it. Number 6. Reliable Pronto Plus 300 CS 2-in-1 Steam Cleaner. The reliable Pronto Plus 300 CS 2-in-1 Steam Cleaner works so well, our tester actually questioned if it's too good to be true. "I love this mop, I'm thinking of buying one for myself. I loved it so much," she exclaims. The high-pressure nozzle was so much fun to use and was really effective at getting the gunk out of deeper set grout lines and other crevices. This model comes with a wall hanger for easy storage, though it can't stand upright on its own, as well as an accessory bag to keep the more than a dozen attachments organized and in reach. The reliable Pronto Plus was by far the most lightweight mop we tested. It only weighs 4.5 pounds, including the cord, even when full of water. It also heats up and cools off quickly, taking just 15 seconds.